Hey creators, welcome back to another video with the Alaska Steam Hub. My name is Isabel and today we're going to be going over how to design, cut, and assemble earrings using our Glowforge. Let's get started. We're going to be going through the engineering design process to help guide us along the way. There are 6 total steps in the engineering design process. The first step is ask. Things like, what materials do we need? What sort of designs do I want to create? Do I have all of the supplies needed? For me, I had an idea of one earring pair that I wanted to create, but I had to do some research and get some more inspo, which ended up giving me even more ideas and designs. The second step is imagine. This is where you can start brainstorming all of your ideas. Writing and sketching things down in a notebook helps process all of your ideas and designs. It's good to physically plan things out so that way you can have all of your ideas laid out in front of you. It also makes it easier deciding what route to go and helps in case you forget anything. This is where I drew out my earring designs in my notebook. The next step is to plan. This is where you narrow down your brainstorming ideas and choose one idea to go with. After you create your plan of action, you can gather all the materials and supplies that you need. For me, I had to make a supply list and then a store run to make sure I had all my little parts and tools. The tools that I'm going to use to assemble my earrings are jump rings, jewelry pliers, and earring hooks. After planning, the next step is to create. This is the fun part. This is where I went into Tinkercad and started creating the designs that I sketched out. After I finished my digital design, I saved my Tinkercad design as an SVG file and then uploaded it onto the Glowforge website. The next step is to test and improve. This step is essential for growth and progress. This is where I first printed out my designs and did an overview of how everything went. Is there anything that I would do differently next time? Is there something that I can improve on? After I did my test print, I noticed that the earring holes were a little too close to the edge, so I needed to move them. I also am going to make the holes a little bit smaller because the jump rings that I'm going to use are pretty small. The last step is to share. Here's my final product. It is good to share projects with other people for a few good reasons. 1, they might give you more ideas or inspiration for future projects. 2, it can help give them inspiration and ideas as well. And that's everything. We want to see your designs and creations, so make sure to leave a comment below. Chanan, thank you for joining me today. If you want to see more content like this, make sure to like and subscribe. See you in another video soon, and as always, keep creating.